Right, here we have the finished Hagrid's house model. It turned out pretty well. I made it a little bit smaller than the prototype, but you still get a good level of detail. It's in 0.2mm layer height, which does mean that you don't quite get the detail on these little top bits. But if I'd made it 0.1mm and maybe a bit bigger, you'd see the little ovals at the top. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. I've glued on the mini roofs above the doorway, and I've glued on the roof part. The prototype is actually big enough to put in a couple of these LED candles, so you could easily do that. If you wanted to, you could make the bit that we used to hollow out the inside go all the way through, so that you could actually just stand this over some LED candles like I've done with my other candle house models. But for now I just thought I'd make this one just a plain one. And you could easily put in some window bars and things as well if you wanted to. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the new one, and yeah, more models tutorials to follow.